Hi, I'm again speaking about these flowers because they are teaching a lot about life a lot. So I have been telling that they give food freely to animals, insects. What are they? Bees, flies, and people can eat these also. And they are so beautiful, they bring so much joy. But I noticed that there start to be those they are like Christmas balls, so beautiful. You can blow them and they fly, the seeds fly. But I was wondering, how does those come? And now I noticed that this flower thing is going like this, yeah, and then it drops away. You see, those yellow parts, they're getting brown and they just drop away, and there is opening that ball with seeds. So what is this telling for you about life?